So you've posted a few videos, and instead of blowing up overnight, you're staring at your analytics like a detective looking for clues. Yeah, we've all been there. But before you spiral into a full identity crisis, let's talk about why this feels impossible and how to actually keep going. All right, confession time. When I made my first video, I thought I was bringing high-level, best-of-class storytelling. Turns out, I was bringing awkward middle school vibes. Have you ever felt that? Your first 10 videos are like your first pancakes. Kind of weird, possibly a little burnt, but absolutely necessary to get to the good ones. Reality check. Every YouTuber you admire was awkward at first. Your job is not to go viral, it's to survive the awkward phase. I remember watching back my first video thinking, oh no, my voice sounds like that? I almost didn't upload it. But here's the thing. If you're not able to push through those cringy early videos, you'll never get to the good ones. Real talk. Later today, go watch your favorite YouTuber's very first video. It's probably going to be rough. Actually, let me know in the comments below whose first video shocked you the most. Instead of cringing at your early videos, appreciate them. They prove you're taking action, and that's what separates creators from watchers. If you refresh your analytics more than you check your texts, we need to talk. Let's reframe. The first 10 videos are about skill building, not stats. Every bad video makes the next one better. Imagine if babies judged their walking skills by how many Instagram likes they got. Only grandma liked it? Guess I'll just crawl forever. Look, I get it. It's easy to think, well, if nobody's watching now, then what's the point? But here's the trick. Don't focus on who's watching now. Focus on making something that your future audience will binge later. And I know someone's gonna comment, but I only got 2 views. Listen, one of those views might be you, and the other might be your mom. That's okay. Drop a hashtag still posting in the comments if you're pushing through anyway. Your worth is not measured in views. Keep the focus on improving, not proving. Take that one back if you need to hear that again. If you didn't know, perfectionism is the cousin of procrastination. And procrastination will ruin your YouTube career before it even starts. The YouTubers who end up making it aren't the ones who are posting perfect videos. They're the ones who keep posting despite the imperfections. Every time you delay uploading because it's not perfect, just know that there's somebody else out there posting blurry gameplay with a robot voice and getting millions of views. We've all been there, sitting on an unfinished video thinking, I'd just tweak it a little bit more, then it'll be good. Spoiler alert, it's never gonna be perfect. That's why consistency beats perfection every time. All right, let's settle this. Would you rather post something meh and get better, or keep overthinking and never post? Comment post and improve if you're on team progress. Quick mental health tip here. Momentum is your best friend. Focus on progress, not perfection, and you'll look back in a year amazed at what you've accomplished. Your first 10 videos might feel impossible, but here's the secret. They're supposed to. That's how you know you're on the right path. Keep posting, stop overanalyzing, and learn as you go. If you ever feel like quitting, just remember, one day you'll be giving advice to new creators who feel just like you do right now. Actually, future you is watching this like, aha, you didn't quit, all right. Comment below, what's been the hardest part of your first videos? Let's talk about it. Oh, and if you need help staying consistent, I've got another video for you over here that will keep you going. Watch that next.